In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 digital product ideas that you can create using AI, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. And to make things even easier for you, in the description below, I have a free AI prompt guide with the exact copy and paste prompts that we're going to be covering in this training. And that's going to allow you to start creating any of these digital products as soon as you finish watching this video. So with that said, let's dive into the first digital product, which is AI-powered ebooks and guides. So one of the fastest ways to monetize your knowledge is by creating an ebook or a digital guide. And the reason for this is that it's beginner friendly and you can create them in just a few days. On top of that, with the help of AI, you can write professional ebooks in seconds, even if you suck at writing. So let's run through exactly how you can do this. Okay, so firstly, using the ebook prompt in my free prompt guide, head over to ChatGPT and fill in these bracketed areas with the information relevant to your ebook. So for this example, let's say I want to create an ebook on how to lose body fat, and my target audience is dads over 50 years old who struggle with making time to go to the gym and who also struggle to diet. The purpose of this ebook is to help them lose 10 kilograms of body fat in the next 90 days. So from here, I'll just hit enter and ChatGPT will now generate a full ebook outline for you. Now, once that's populated, we can now use the next prompt inside of my free guide and we can ask ChatGPT to expand on each of these chapters in seconds by again just replacing these bracketed areas with the relevant information for your ebook. And once you've filled in the information, hit enter. And just like that, you now have your ebook basically created, but I'd recommend just going through and making sure the words and language being used fits your style and personality. And then from there, we can head over to a tool like Designer or Canva to easily turn all of this text into a professional looking ebook. And both of these platforms have templates that you can use and adjust to your branding. And all you really need to do is copy and paste your content. And once you've done all of that, you can just export it as a PDF and you now have an ebook ready for sale. And just an FYI, after we go through all the different digital products that you can create using AI, I'm going to be running through a quick demo of where and how you can upload any of these digital products online so that you can start selling them. So make sure to watch this video until the end. But now moving on to the second AI-powered digital product, and that is membership communities. So online communities and memberships are one of the best ways to earn recurring revenue for your business. But one of the hardest things about running a successful community is keeping your members engaged every single month. But with AI, we can easily create detailed content plans and discussion topics in seconds for our members. This will help us remove the guesswork of what to do to keep our members engaged, which in turn will then lead to happy community members and a thriving group. So here's how you can do it using AI. So firstly, copy and paste this prompt from my free prompt guide and paste it into ChatGPT. Again, make sure to enter your relevant information into these bracketed areas and keep in mind the more detailed you are here, the better results you're going to get. So for example, let's say I want to create a membership community for overweight dads who are interested in becoming the best versions of themselves, and the goal of this membership is to help them lose 10 kilograms of body fat in the next 90 days and to also rebuild positive habits. So from here, I'm just going to hit enter, and now you're going to see ChatGPT has generated over 3 months worth of content ideas, resources, and weekly topic discussions to share with your community members. But now moving on to digital product idea number 3, and that is AI-powered online courses. So online courses are one of the most profitable digital products that you can sell, and there are literally thousands of creators right now making millions of dollars a year with them. And traditionally, creating an online course was this huge task that would take months to finish, but with the rise of AI, they have never been easier to create. So let's cover how you can create an online course with AI. So how we do this is by first copying the prompt in my free AI prompt guide and pasting it into ChatGPT. And before you hit enter, make sure to put in the relevant information into these bracketed areas. From there, hit enter, and just like that, AI will provide you with your exact course outline. But now from here, use the next prompt inside of my free guide, and here we're going to ask ChatGPT to expand on each of these modules in seconds. Again, before hitting enter, make sure to replace these bracketed areas with the relevant information for your online course. So now with your course outline and modules ready, you now want to copy and paste this information into gamma.app. And basically this is an AI tool that creates professional looking presentations and slides for you in seconds. And how it works is firstly, create a free account in gamma.app. And once you're in, click import and then AI import. Now from here, select this paste in text option and then paste in your course content from ChatGPT. Now make sure presentation is selected and then hit continue. Now from here, you'll see a preview of how things are looking and then you're just gonna hit continue. And then from here, you can choose the color and style layout of your presentation. So you're gonna see a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. So just choose one and then you're gonna hit generate. And then just like that, you're now gonna see Gamma start building out your course presentation. And from here, you can easily go in and edit any of these slides and information however you like. And you can easily create more slides by scrolling down and then hitting this plus icon. That said, once your presentation is ready, it's time to film your videos. And the easiest way to do this is by using a tool called Loom. And basically, this software allows you to easily record your screen while having your head in a bubble in the corner. And I personally believe your videos are more relatable and engaging when you do show your face in the corner rather than just having a voiceover. That said, after you film your videos, you can easily trim and edit your videos directly inside a Loom, which makes your life a lot easier by having everything in one location. But now moving on to the fourth AI-powered digital product idea, and that is email marketing sequences. So email marketing is one of the most powerful sales tools for businesses and solopreneurs. But they can be time consuming to create, and you really need to know what you're doing to effectively create high converting sales emails. So there's massive demand for a digital product that can help business owners or creators easily generate email subject lines that increase their open rates, or to write emails that sell their products and services on autopilot. And with the help of AI, we can easily create these email sequences in minutes and package them up to sell online. So for example, let's say I wanted to create a 5-day email sequence that weight loss coaches could use to sell more of their diet plans. So firstly, copy and paste this prompt from my free prompt guide and then change the information inside of these bracketed areas. And from there, ChatGPT will create a 5-day email sequence that speaks directly to their target audience and that they can sell their digital products for them. From there, we can copy and paste the next prompt inside of my free prompt guide, and after filling out the necessary information, ChatGPT will templatize this email sequence for you, so now any type of online fitness coach can use it. And then all we need to do from here is package up this email template using a tool like Notion or Canva, and we can now sell this online. But now, moving on to digital product idea number 5, and that is AI-powered lead magnets and freebies. And this is a digital product idea that won't necessarily make you rich directly, because lead magnets are usually given away for free in exchange for someone's email. But with that said, lead magnets are one of the best ways to attract potential customers, build your email list, and nurture your leads. And some examples of an AI-powered lead magnet could be a checklist, a guide, or even an interactive quiz. So to actually create one using AI, you first want to copy and paste this prompt from my free prompt guide. So with this prompt, you're going to see that it includes a prompt for a checklist, a guide, or an interactive quiz. So what you want to do here is choose which type of lead magnet you want to create and then just simply delete the other prompt. So for example, let's say I want to create a checklist to help men over 50 achieve their first 5 kilograms of weight loss without extreme dieting. I can easily delete the areas within the prompt for the guide and a quiz. From there, I can just add in the relevant information required for generating a checklist, and then I'm gonna hit enter. And just like that, you'll see ChatGPT create a detailed checklist that includes what to do, the reason why it's important, and the exact details of the step. Now from here, you can just copy and paste this information into a free Canva template, export it as a PDF, and you now have a powerful lead magnet that you can use to grow your email list and nurture your leads into customers for your digital products. But now that you have 5 AI-powered digital products, let's talk about how to actually sell them. Because at this stage, you've created the products, but you now need a place to host them online so that people can actually go and buy them. And in my opinion, the easiest way to host and sell digital products online is with Kajabi. And the reason I like Kajabi is because it's an all-in-one solution, which basically means it has everything you need to not only host your digital products, but to also sell them. So you get access to things like email marketing, websites and sales funnels, webinars, communities, product hosting, and so much more. Many of the other hosting platforms out there are cheaper than Kajabi, but they lack many of the other features needed to actually sell your digital products. Which then means you have to have multiple subscriptions to multiple platforms, and then you need to use a tool like Zapier to sticky tape everything together. And I don't know about you, but when it comes to tech, I like to keep things as simple as possible so that I can focus on the stuff that actually matters for my business. That said, I'll walk you through how easy it is to set up your digital product inside of Kajabi. And if you want to follow along with this demo, I have an extended free trial link that gives you 30 days free instead of the usual 14 days on their website in my description below for you. And alongside this extended free trial link, you'll also get free access to a bunch of resources like my 0 to 10K digital product blueprint course, a content planner and organizer, product mockup templates, email marketing templates, and so much more. But anyway, once you're inside of Kajabi, to create a digital product, all you need to do is head over to products, then downloads, and then click get started. Now here, you're gonna name your digital product and add a short description about it. You can also upload a cover photo by clicking choose thumbnail, then upload file. Once this upload window opens up, just drag and drop your cover photo into it. And this is one of the many cover photo templates that you can get for free for your digital products when you use the extended free trial link in my description below. But now from here, click next, and then on this page, you're now gonna upload your digital product file. So to do this, click choose file, and then drag and drop your product into the upload window here. Once you've done that, click next, and here you're gonna set a price and choose a payment processor to collect your payments. And just like that, you now have a digital product that is ready to be sold. So that was a quick rundown of how to set up a digital download inside of Kajabi. But within the platform, you can easily host online courses, coaching programs, and online communities. And again, if you use a link in my description below, you'll also get free access to a bunch of step-by-step guides teaching you exactly how to set everything up. But there we have it. That is 5 AI-powered digital products that you can start selling right now to start making money online. And if you want a more in-depth walkthrough of how to build and sell digital products online, I have a free 40-minute masterclass on my channel that walks you through the entire step-by-step process, which you can check out by clicking the link in my description below. The feedback on this masterclass has been insane, so I'm confident you'll get a bunch of value from it. With that said, I'll see you there.